MyCreditGroup Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're trying to improve your credit score and remove inaccurate or negative items from your credit report, MyCreditGroup is a professional credit repair service designed to help individuals dispute errors, monitor credit progress, and build stronger financial profiles over time. The service focuses on simplifying the credit repair process while providing structured guidance for clients who may not fully understand how credit disputes work. One of the main features of MyCreditGroup is its detailed credit report analysis. After enrollment, the platform reviews credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus and identifies negative items that may be inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable. These can include late payments, collections, charge-offs, or errors in personal information that may be damaging your credit score. Once these items are identified, MyCreditGroup creates a customized dispute strategy and prepares dispute letters that are sent to the credit bureaus and creditors in accordance with credit reporting regulations. Another key feature is progress monitoring through an online dashboard where clients can track dispute activity, view responses from credit bureaus, and monitor updates to their credit profile. This transparency helps users stay informed about the repair process and understand how their credit is evolving over time. MyCreditGroup also provides educational resources and guidance designed to help clients build healthier credit habits, such as maintaining low credit utilization, making payments on time, and managing credit accounts responsibly. In terms of strengths, MyCreditGroup stands out for its structured dispute process and personalized support. The service is particularly helpful for individuals who have multiple negative items on their credit report and prefer professional assistance rather than attempting to manage disputes themselves. By handling the dispute process and providing ongoing monitoring, the company helps simplify what can otherwise be a confusing and time-consuming process. However, there are some limitations to consider. Like all legitimate credit repair companies, MyCreditGroup cannot remove accurate negative information and cannot guarantee specific credit score increases. Results depend largely on whether the disputed items are truly inaccurate and how credit bureaus respond to the disputes. Additionally, the service involves ongoing fees, which means the total cost can increase if the repair process takes several months. Overall, MyCreditGroup is a practical option for individuals who want professional guidance, structured dispute management, and ongoing credit monitoring to help improve their credit health over time.